What is up, everybody? Neurocosm here, and welcome to part 3 of the Tiger Blood build. This one's not going to be as super cool as the other ones. As we left off in part 2, we left off with some troubleshooting. We couldn't get it to post. The reason for that was because we didn't have the graphics card hooked into the display. We had our onboard graphics shooting out, and it just wouldn't pick it up. I did get that situated. I had to move some stuff around, but that was yesterday, and this has to ship out soon, so we gotta go. So what we ended up putting in here, if you guys remember, we have AMD A8 6500B, which does have its own graphics to it, but just to get a little bump up, we have this nice Radeon R9 2070X by MSI. We also changed our power supply to a 600 watt. A little bit of a downgrade, a bit of a downgrade. It's a 600 watt bronze now instead of a 800 watt gold, but I really wanted an 800 watt gold in my computer, so that's what we did. I put it in mine. I got my old one here. It works fine. It's great. It's been in here for a while. Got our nice Be Quiet fans. Nice. Kind of jump cooler. What I really wanted to show you guys is the cable management that I kind of left off in our last video. I hope this looks as good as I remember it looking. Yeah, that does not look as good as I remember, but still looks pretty good. Everything is nice in there. As you can see, we got our 600 watt power supply in there. It's got RGB on it, so that's cool. If you're into that kind of stuff, because you need an RGB power supply. I also want to show you guys this. As you can see, there's a lot of stuff in here, and some of these cables are kind of sticking and poking it out. Makes it really hard to get this panel on. Here's a nice trick for you. Number 1, make sure everything on this inside is mounted correctly and actually really in there. Don't try to go like ripping it out or anything. Step 2, make sure your front panel is off. Go ahead, lay it down real nice, like so. And just put it on that way. Makes it so much easier than trying to hold it up and put it in at the same time and make sure the top and bottom close properly. Take that front panel off. Lay it down. Don't drop it. Biggest thing. Don't drop it. We're poor. We have to pay for this. No Linus Tech tips here. Don't drop it. And that's pretty much all we got to it for today. Like I said, I gotta go get this delivered, and I don't really have time to pull all my monitors and stuff out. But I didn't want to leave you guys hanging, so there was part 3. I did get it booted up, like I said, and we ran a 3D Mark score that was very poor of about 2200. That is very low. Better than an office computer, but not top tier 2020, 2022 gaming PC level. But it'll work for what we need, and hopefully he likes it. And I'll see about getting a part 4 to this video made by him. But that's really all up to him. Till next time, this has been Neurocosm. Sorry for the short video. Enjoy your day.